Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Telegram trading stickers. First, you will need to choose an image editing software. Many free and paid options are available, so pick one that suits your comfort level. Next, brainstorm ideas for your stickers, focusing on common trading terms, emotions, or symbols. Think about what would resonate with your audience and be visually appealing. This initial planning saves time later. Now, let's dive into designing. Open your chosen software and create a new canvas that is 512 by 512 pixels. This is the optimal size for Telegram stickers. Make sure your background is transparent. This allows the sticker to blend seamlessly into any chat. Design your trading-themed image, keeping it simple and recognizable. Avoid overly complex details that might get lost when scaled down. Save your work frequently. Once your designs are complete, it's time to prepare them for Telegram. Save each sticker as a PNG file. This format supports transparency, which is crucial. Ensure that each individual sticker file is under 500 kilobytes in size. If a file is too large, you might need to optimize or compress it. Keep all your finished sticker files organized in one folder for easy access during the upload process. Finally, let's get your stickers onto Telegram. Open the Telegram app and search for the official stickers bot. Start a chat with it and type the command /NewPack. The bot will then guide you through naming your sticker pack. Next, upload each PNG sticker file one by one. After each upload, you'll be prompted to assign an emoji that best represents your sticker. Once all are uploaded, publish your pack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.